delivery driver in food service industry, you'll find yourself 9 times of 10 with various starting times. Usually early in the morning around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, or a bit later, let's just say 5 o'clock or the latest 6 o'clock, I will say. Why are the starting times so important? Well, the reasons may be traveling distance, time slots, time windows, traffic, road restrictions, fighting for a parking space or a loading bay. The earliest you'll start will increase the chances of having a smoother day. Being earlier in the morning, the chances of maintaining a better fridge or freezer's temperatures are a lot higher. For instance, your depot is over 20 miles outside London and your day is scheduled with over 15 drops, which most of them will be certainly in and out central London several times a day, same roads and probably on the same streets or on the same buildings. The question is why? And the answer is because the management thinks it is cost effective even if the time windows are several hours apart. So you'll go from point A to point B, back to point A, back to point B, and again 9 times of 10 it will happen. So again, starting times are very important and they can influence the outcome of your day. You will be advised to do your job in a certain way. Again, the question is why? And the answer is for someone else to be covered before you are covered. You will have to remember that if anything bad happens, you'll be the first in line that will get the blame for it, regardless of how big or small the issue is. Some roads, especially them central ones, might have time restrictions on them, so they will influence your starting time even more. And if you start too late, it might make impossible specific drops to be made. For your peace of mind, before you need to go out for deliveries, make sure you check and top up, if needed, the level of fuel, AdBlue and other fluids if that's your depot is offering you in the environment for it. If not, then do it at the nearest fuel or service station. The longer you delay it, the longer your day might get. Depending on your work agreements or your shift patterns, you might see yourself having really early start times, and this might also have positive or negative effects on your body, on your lifestyle, and also mental health. Most people don't actually realize that being a delivery driver will need you to be very consistent with having a good level of cardiovascular fitness, and to make sure that your lifestyle and what happens before commencing work and after you finish your shift does not drag you down and does not affect your ability to focus and to do your job with full responsibility. You might have really long and challenging days followed by even longer and tougher days, so your starting times for future days might be even earlier than that. This will also increase your stress levels and will make you to be angry and frustrated because you're feeling already overwhelmed and you're giving everything you got to go out and do your job and don't let people down. The weather is another important factor that in general is against you and will make your day even longer. Wake up early, turn up early to work, get your paperwork sorted, check your vehicle, make sure it's okay, and what can I say? Have a good day, mate.